Has your Gmail stopped syncing using Mac Mail? Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show simple and helpful steps to fix this issue. So let's watch the video till the end. Check and enable Mail Sync. Launch the Mail app on your Mac computer. Go to the top menu bar and click on Mail. Then click on Accounts and select Google. Make sure you use the same Gmail account on your iPhone and Mac. Also, turn on the toggle next to Mail. Now, you can check all new mails on your iPhone and Mac devices. Some users have noted that they delete emails on their MacBooks, and the sync with their Gmail account works perfectly. However, emails deleted on their iPhones do not reflect on their MacBooks. If you're experiencing this, you're not alone. If you're facing the same issue, follow the next solution. Delete and re-add Gmail account. Launch the Mail app on your Mac computer. Go to the top menu bar and click on Mail. Then, click on Accounts and select Google. Afterward, click on the Delete Account button. A pop-up may appear on your Mac screen that says, "Deleting your account also removes its data from contacts, calendars, and notes associated with your Gmail account." However, this data will be restored when you re-add the account. So, click OK to confirm. Now, let's see how to re-add a Gmail account. Launch the Mail app on your Mac computer. Go to the top menu bar and click on Mail. Then, click on Add Accounts and select Google. Select Google, and then click the Continue button. After that, type your sign-in details and hit the Next button. Then, enter your password and click on the Next button. Please read the information on your Mac screen and click Continue. Then, follow the on-screen video steps. That's it. Now, check if the problem is solved. As you can see, deleting mail on my Mac PC also removes it from my iPhone mail. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.